In this video I'm covering how to reverse a string, which was something I was asked for a little while ago. So I've got a function that I've called reverse. I'm passing in the string. I've declared a variable called reverse text and set it to blank, and then I'm just using a for loop. So I'm keeping track of the position, looking at the length, and then I'm swapping the characters, so the character goes backwards here. So this bit, the ampersand here is the and in Python, so it's adding it to the text. The char function is the way that Flowgorithm gets the individual letters out of a string. If we look at the program, we input the string, call the function, print it out. So let's have a look at the watch window. So I'm going to input a string. I'll have hello world. Step through. Let's put that over there. So you can see it initializes the string, starts it going. So there's the D, L. You can see over here, look. So there's the reverse string. Return the reverse string, print it out. Job done. So that's how you reverse a string using Flowgorithm.